Let's trace some shapes. Get a piece of paper and draw with me. Circle, round, circle, circle. Can you make a square? 4 sides, all the same. 4 sides, all the same. You know what this is? A triangle, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you connect the line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a rectangle. 4 sides, too long, too short. Rectangle, 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 rectangle. Oval, oval. A stretched out circle, not the same. From the center. Oval, 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 oval. Diamond or rhombus. Up, down, down, up. 4 sides. Rhombus or diamond. Terrific. Can you help me sort the shapes? Squares, circles, rectangles. Square. Circle? No. Circle. Circle? No. Circle. Square? No. Square, all the sides are the same. Square? No. Square. Rectangle. Too long, too short. Circle? Circle. Rectangle. Too long, too short. Rectangle. Square. Yay, done. Can we sort by color? Red, blue, green. The red heart goes, no, no, there. Yellow heart, star, where does that go? Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Blue star, here. Red rectangle, doesn't go with the green rectangles. We need the sort by color. Red. Green square. Blue hexagon. Brown trapezoid. No. Red triangle. Yes. Green triangle. Blue heart. Here. green circle here. Where does this rhombus go? There are no browns. Goes home. Good job. Let's sort by size. Small, medium, large. Where should the small heart go? Not here. Not here. Oh, over there. Where should the large circle go? Here. Where should the medium trapezoid go? No, here. Where should the medium square go? With the large shapes? Nope, with the medium shapes. Where should the medium heart go? With the large shapes or the medium shapes? Where should the large rhombus go? Here. Where should the small triangle go? Here. Yay, you have done it. Can we put some shapes together? Why don't I use a circle? Are you drawing your shapes? I'm going to make a face. What are you going to make with your shapes? What shape shall I make his eyes? His nose is a triangle. Maybe a hexagon. Awesome. And 2 circles inside his eyes. Maybe he's looking up. A heart for his mouth. He has funny hair. Can we count the shapes? 1 circle, 1 triangle, no squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. No trapezoids. 1 heart. 2 hexagons. Circles. I found 2 more circles. 1, 2, 3. I need to change this. 3. Any rhombus? No. 2 hexagons. Can you make a shape person? And count your shapes too. Good job.